Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today let us discuss about the topic classification or odd man out. Here 4 of the following are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Find the odd man out. Here the options given are ears, hands, fingers, eyes and legs. All these are parts of the body, but here the answer is fingers because ears, hands, eyes and legs are in pairs. Fingers are in number of 10. All these are in pairs. So the odd one is fingers. Second one, bud, branch, leaf, plant, root. Bud, branch, leaf and root are parts of the plant. So the odd one is plant. Third one, P, S, R, Q. B is C, G, E, F. C is J, M, L, K. D, V, Y, X and W. Here by adding 3 to P, we get S. By adding 1, we get R. By adding 1, we get Q. In the second option, by adding 4, we get G. By doing -2, we get E. And by adding +1, we get F. +3, +1 and +1. Here also it is +3, +1 and +1. In 3 of these options, the pattern is same. And in B, it is different. So the answer is B. Fourth question, 4 is to 63. 4 cube is 64. That is 4 cube minus 1. Here 1 cube is 1 minus 1. That is 0. 5 cube is 125 minus 1. 2 cube is 8 minus 1. 3 cube is 27 minus 1. In all these options, the rule used is same except in D. Because 2 cube is 8 minus 1. Here we should get 7. But instead it is given as 15. So the odd one is D. Fifth question is ring, bangle, tire, blade and nut. All these are in the form of rings. That is, they has a hole in middle except in the plate. Plate doesn't have a hole in the middle. So the odd one is plate. Sixth question is portrait, snapshot, diagram, sketch and painting. All these options are work done on paper except snapshot. So the odd one is B, snapshot. Seventh one, microphone, B, microscope, telescope, binocular and spectacles. Here except microphone, all these are related to vision. Microphone is the odd one. Before moving to next problem, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. Eighth one is gold, bronze, iron, silver and zinc. All these are metals. But gold, iron, zinc and silver are single metals. This is an alloy. That is the combination of 2 or more metals. Bronze is an alloy. So the odd one is bronze. Ninth one, mother, sister, brother, aunt and niece. All these are relations. But the different one is brother. That is the odd one is brother. Because all these are females and brother is male. Tenth one is moon, earth, bangle, football and watermelon. All the options except bangle are 3D dimensional figures. Bangle is the odd one. That is, the bangle is in the 2D dimension, that is in the form of the circle. All these 4 are of 3D dimension, that is in this form of the sphere. So the odd one is bangle. 11th one is unicorn, rhino, fox, jackal and antelope. All these 5 are animals, but unicorn is an imaginary animal. So the odd one is unicorn. 12th one, river, aeroplane, earth, breeze and stream. This doesn't have a particular relation to each other, but all these are visible except breeze. We can't see the breeze, but we can feel. These 4 options are visible. This is invisible, but we can feel. So the odd one is breeze. 13th one, huge, tiny, big, heavy and small. All these options except heavy is used to determine the size, but heavy is used to determine the weight. So odd one is heavy. 14th one, Rigveda, Ayurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda and Yajurveda. All these 5 are Vedas, but Ayurveda is related to medicine. All these are Vedas. This is medicine. 15th one is sneeze, whistle, hiccup, snore and cough. Here whistle is the voluntary action. That is, we do it by ourselves. All these are involuntary. 17th question is cow, dog, sheep, camel and goat. Except from dog, we eat milk from these animals. So dog is the answer, which is the odd man out. 18th question, violin, sitar, guitar, piano and veena. All these are the musical instruments with strings, but piano doesn't have the strings. So piano is the answer. 19th one, ears, hands, intestines and eyes. All these are parts of the body, but ears, hands and eyes are outer body parts and intestine is the inner body part. So intestine is the answer. 20. Guava, orange, lychee, apple and pear. Here only orange is the citrus fruit. So answer is B. 21. Volume, size, shape, weight and large. In this, all these words have, in this there are 3 vowels, 2 vowels, 2, 2, 2. Except only in the word volume there are 3 vowels. So the odd one is volume. 22. Aluminium, iron, copper, zinc and mercury. All these are metals, but in room temperature mercury is in the liquid form. All these are in the solid form, but in room temperature mercury is in liquid form. So mercury is the odd one. 23. Ginger, potato, mushroom, garlic and carrot. All these grow under the ground, but mushroom grow on the ground or outside of the ground. So mushroom is the odd one. Question number 24. Options are camel, cat, horse, donkey and bullock. In this, all the animals are used to carry the goods except cat. So the odd one is cat. Option D. 25th. 3 is to 8, 6 is to 35, 1 is to 0, 9 is to 80 and 7 is to 50. Here the logic used is, the second number is 1 minus square of the first number. That is 9 square minus 1. 1 square minus 1. 7 square is 49 plus 1. This is 9 square is 81 minus 1. 36 minus 1. The relation is not proved in option E. So the odd one is 7 is to 50. 26th question, the options are 52, 96, 24, 36 and 48. In this, all the numbers are divisible by 12 except 52. So this is the odd one. 27th question, 21 is to 24, 14 is to 16, 28 is to 32, 70 is to 80 and 54 is to 62. Here the logic used is, the ratio should be 7 is to 8. 3 sevens, 3 eights. 2 sevens, 2 eights. 10 sevens, 10 eights. 4 sevens, 4 eights. Here the ratio is not equal to 7 is to 8. So the answer is 54 is to 62 is the odd one. 28th question, 6 is to 26, 11 is to 46, 9 is to 40, 16 is to 66 and 12 is to 50. Here by multiplying the first number with 4 and adding 2 we get the second number. That is 6 4s are 24 plus 2 into 4 44 plus 2. 9 4s are 36 plus 4 is added here. 16 4s is 64 plus 2. 12 4s is 48 plus 2. The logic is not applicable in option C. So the odd one is 9 is to 40. 29th question, 488, 929, 776, 667 and 668. Here the sum of the digits in the number is 20. And this is also, it is 20. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 7 is 19. Here 14 plus 6 is 20. 12 plus 8 is also 20. The odd one is D, 667. 30th question, 22 is to 0, 24 is to 12, 23 is to 5, 18 is to 63 and 24 is to 18. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also press bell icon to get notified. Here the second number is the difference of squares of the digits in the first number. That is 2 square minus 2 square is equal to 0. This is correct. And 4 square is 16 minus 2 square is 4, which is equal to 12. This is also applicable. 8 square is 64, 1 square is 1, 63. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 5. 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4. We should get 12, but the answer given here is 18. So this is not applicable. That is, the logic is not applicable here. So the odd one is option E, 24 is to 18. Thanks for watching.